It's in yoga, Baba 2005. A Kasibati seat and Goya Samsan. Babambo, Nara Rockefeller. Baba Nabati G, you need shady after Media sometimes. Menang it to no. Born a Bayamati S was the state. Ha ha! Bati, such one. Yeah, Bati, 51 cent. Yeah, Bati, MacGyver. Yeah, Bati, Karas, my fashion. Yeah, Bati, Mando. Bati, yeah, Brantashi. Bati, Naspelel, using a Ganoga. Ah, yeah.
Don't come on to Japanile. I said, don't come on to Zapadini. I said, don't come on to the Freddy. You must stand and you're going to see so. I said, don't come on to Japanile. I said, don't come on to Zapadini. I said, don't come on to the Freddy. You must stand and you're going to see so. I said, we are feeling to the game. It's got to the hurricane. We are born and us jumping. I tell them to speak. We are born and us. Music for BS, driving 24 hours. Better my dance, keep up on us. Caliphate, SMS, and the gas. Three shy, my colleague, test the label, the niggas, and then the many Calico, they take any disease that they let me do it. Three shy, and my baby, who's in these are my tender. You can't let them to queen, who's in these are my signs. These are my signs. Amagenge ayakhala ngapha ngiyakucindezela Sintamino zolibando susale ekugcineni soqwada Lakini zodibando zavala Naluphevo brawuni ngezi ngiyaphenda Ozodelela mina sidla ngiyakhathela Ukusuka lapho nonkolela Nabone ngasikhumela nina funa ukungisukela Hleke ngifuna ukuthini Nitshela bani Kwenzakalani Nithi ngenzeni Ngibulale bani Ethakwe yini Ngingazongitshela impilo yami ngiyayimela Ibhruko lami ngiyaligcwala Izinto ngiyazenzela Akekho sazongitshela Funa ukuphumelela Ngabe nangiyekela Nani nambe nozibhalela Jabulile Wonke umuntu esephathini Wonke umuntu esitofeleni Masangane ekhoneni sizo Harassment fashion Solushintshele fashion Ukhipha abantu fashion Ubajevise emashubhini Ubahlanyise emabheshini Thume ngamadejithi Mthembu ngalendlela Ekuphinde uphinde futhi Alethibisa kakhwefa Nyabalokha labotheva Nabathatha labantwana Bevela khona khala abantu Khala mfuze bokutwala abantu Phakabizi flame Lasegas lamp Wonke umuntu ojabulile Wonke umuntu osephathini sizo yeah akusele wonke umuntu ojabulile yeah akusele wonke umuntu osebhadeni yeah akusele wonke umuntu ozokufeleni yeah emasihlangana ekhoneni sizo yeah
abanyokiwe nabothemba inyokanyoka bathi bezulu nakajani Ewakuyini 50 cent khona 51 cent ekhasi. Cheers for that man.